Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing a review of the Colourpop by the Rosé eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be doing a review as it is my first time using this product, but also I am going to do a little kind of everyday glam tutorial with it. So it's a bit of a review slash tutorial. So if you have it already, you can follow along, or if you do end up purchasing in the future, then you can come back and follow along as a tutorial. It looks absolutely stunning. It has that nice kind of rose color scheme. You have like the soft pinky rose, the more like deep rose, and then the kind of more like burgundy-ish rose, and then some beautiful metallics. So I'm gonna go ahead and create a look with this. As I said, again, feel free to follow along, even if you just have a palette with similar color scheme. And then I will give you my final review as to whether I think it's worth the purchase or not. Hey guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. Now, when it comes to my opinion on the palette, I really like it. The mattes are super, super pigmented, blendable. They go well together. They're super rich. And for somebody who, like, if you don't like pink eyeshadow, I wouldn't say this is necessarily pink. Like rose toned pinks are much more like rich and deep in my personal opinion, and I just think it is a very flattering color scheme. I wasn't a huge fan of this shade here. It almost came off super brown and like a really warm toned brown. I just felt it didn't really go with at least the colors I used. It was not my favorite shade. It was still pigmented and everything. The quality was fine, but that one I just felt maybe is a little bit off. This one here I didn't use. It is a metallic. That's really, really pretty as well. But the other shades that I did use, really beautiful metallics, pigmented and creamy. And then this one here is almost like a glitter topper. I did wet it and put it in the inner corner. It's nice and bright. You can pop it like in the middle of the lid and add a little extra, like, you know, zhuzh. And it really brightens everything up, takes it to, you know, a new level. I definitely think that shade is like my favorite out of the palette. I am like a glitter fan. So I really, really like the palette. If you're into the rose toned shades, I think that you will love this, and I really like the quality. Yeah. And as I said, quality is really good. So I do recommend it if the color scheme is up your alley. And I hope you guys enjoyed the little tutorial. If you do follow along, I hope you guys like the look. So thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up for more videos like this. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.